Today we're going to test out the battery share function, which is your power wireless share feature found on your Nothing Phone 1. If you enable it, it becomes a wireless charger at the back of your phone. I did test it out with a Samsung phone and the Galaxy Buds Live on my tutorial as to how to use it. So we're going to test it out on AirPods today. So we got AirPods Pro here, and we got the regular AirPods 2, and also one more time with the Galaxy Buds Live. So basically, once you find this feature, once you turn it on, all right, it creates a wireless charger flashlight thing on the back here where the glyph is here. And you can also find this feature in the quick panel settings right here, battery share. So once it's on, you can take your device here and place it at the back. You'll notice it's going to light up to let you know that it's actually charging. Okay, so you can see that it's charging the AirPods 2, and of course, assuming your AirPods 2 case is wireless charger capable. And if you don't know, the AirPods, when you plug them into charge, they will light up in orange for a few seconds and stop. So it is charging them. Okay, now same thing for the AirPods Pro here. When you take it and you place it here, you'll notice that it's going to light up. And the good thing about the Nothing Phone is that it does light up the back, and it lets you know that it's actually charging. So it does charge. Okay, so go ahead and test it out one more time. Place it on the back. All right, and it's showing you that it's charging. Notice it didn't flash this time around, so now it flashes. Okay, and of course with the Galaxy Buds Live, which the Galaxy Buds are wireless charging cases, so you can see the light indicator is there on. All right, so it does work. Pretty cool if you ask me. And like, sub, thanks for watching.